What's one of the first things that a Social Security disability attorney will check when they have access to your electronic records? Well, they are going to look at the alleged onset date, the date in which you claimed that you were disabled and unable to work. If you have a discrete event, like an auto accident, hospitalization, heart attack, it's pretty clear that that's the date that your onset began. If you never return to work after that date, pretty clear. But if you have a progressive medical condition or one in which you're not getting a lot of active treatment, it can be harder to pick the right date of onset. What's key here is two things. One is if you have gradually started to reduce your wages, you have to bring your wages under a number called SGA. That number changes every year. Now, for 2023, it's $14.30 per month. If you earn more than that, you're not disabled regardless of how disabled you might be. The more important thing that people don't get is whatever that onset date is has to be consistent with your medical records. Your medical records have to support the date that you picked. And if it doesn't, then the judge may say, hey, or Social Security may say, you're just not entitled to your Social Security disability benefits, or that's not the right date. We're going to change the date. And changing the onset date can have two impacts. One, it will impact the amount of your back benefits that you may be eligible for. And two, you have to satisfy a 5-month waiting period where nobody gets any benefits. And then you have to be on Social Security disability benefits for 24 months, 29 months before you become eligible for Medicare. So if you have to move that onset date forward, that's going to reduce the amount of your back benefits. It's going to make it longer before you're eligible for Medicare. So picking the right date to become disabled is crucial. And that's one of the many reasons why you should have a Social Security disability attorney represent you in your Social Security claim. Picking the right date to claim that you're disabled is key to getting the maximum amount of your Social Security benefits. If you have any questions, call us today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.